Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from LitONES. This is their model number H02 LED desk lamp with remote control. And what makes this one a little bit more stand out from some of the others is it's a dual-sided LED desk lamp, which will give you kind of a 3D lighting effect to take off eye strain. You can change the color temperature and the brightness with the remote that sits on your desk. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes in the box with the H02, and you'll see that we, of course, get some paperwork here. It's going to show you how to attach the base. It's very simple. You just line up the arm, and it has a metal screw that goes into the base itself. And of course, we do get a full user guide here to give you a little bit more information on this. I'll try to get this in frame for you so that you can see some of the parameters on this, and then you'll be able to see the remote control. You'll be able to see the power. It is 18 watt. It does have a color temperature of 2700K to 6500K, and some of the instructions for the buttons on the device itself, and of course that remote control wireless puck that you have is very handy to have on your desk, so you're not reaching for the light all the time. So hold on to this just in case you do need to reference it. You have that. Now, the first thing I want to take a look at is the metal base. It's anti-slip and anti-tip, and the reason that it is anti-tip is because it weighs 3.3 pounds and is made of metal. So you're going to have a very stable solution for holding this in. You can see there is a spot where the arm goes in, and it is secured by one screw. Now we do get an AC adapter here, so this will be for plugging in, and you will see that there is a little hole at the bottom of the arm itself. And speaking of the arm itself can adjust up to 33.3 inches and rotates freely for precise multiple angle lighting, which is really nice. Now on the lamp itself, you can see there are a few buttons as well for raising and lowering your brightness, saving a preset, and your power button there as well. You do get this nice remote control puck that sits on your desk. You'll be able to control wirelessly the brightness and the color temperature, and of course the power here, and you can keep that on your desk, and that way you're not reaching for the lamp at any time. You can just use the puck to control everything. Now if you screw the bottom of the puck off, it will I'll show you where the battery goes, and the batteries are going to be 3 AAA batteries, and they do include them in the package. Okay, so I've got mine set up here. Again, this is where it plugs in right at the base of the arm once you have it attached to the base. Super stable. Again, 3.3 pound metal round base here. It's going to keep this in place for you. The arm is great for setting this up at pretty much any angle you want. Now the light is unique in that it will shine through both sides. So you get a brighter area at the bottom, and then you get a lighter area at the top, giving you background lighting, and that is great because once we have background lighting here, it's going to take eye strain off of you while you're concentrating. You can see I can adjust the brightness levels here right from the light itself, and we're going to show you the wireless puck as well, of course, but you do get an area of brightness in the background, which takes helps with eye strain, and I really do appreciate that design. Now this button on the right hand side here, you can hold this in for 3 seconds and the light will blink. And what that is for is once you get everything set up and the way that you like it, you can save it as a preset. That way it will always turn on to that by default. If you want to use that, that's really great as well, because once you get things set up in your area, you're good to go. Using the wireless puck on your desktop is excellent. You can turn this on and off right here from the puck. You can also swipe left or right, or I should say turn left or right, to increase or decrease the brightness from 0 to 100. And of course, when we hold this in, it's going to be able to change our color temperature as well, which is really nice to have for setting up in different environments. Now you can see if I hold the puck down and rotate instead of just freely rotating it, I can adjust that color temperature, and there are 5 color temperatures ranging from 2700K to 6500K. So if I want that really white, I can get that, no problem. If I want that warmer glow, I can go down all the way to 2700K. So you've got 2700, 3600, 4500, 5500, and 6500K. The H02 does an excellent job at getting very bright if you need it. The way that we're looking at it now, this is the 3D ambient lighting, the one that comes out of the top. But when I flip this over, you'll be able to see just how bright the bottom side, which is going to be what you're looking at or what's pointed down towards you, you'll be able to see exactly how bright that is. So let's take a quick look at how bright this can get, and that way you'll be able to see for yourself. We have a 126 high CRI rated at 95 LED beads in an 11-inch wide lighting panel that is obviously dual-sided, as you saw. Turning off the lights here and then jacking this all the way up, you can see how bright this light can get. And then again, you see the color temperatures here and how soft we can make this. This is overall a really, really nice quality LED lamp in my opinion. So there you go. That's my review of the LitONES H02 LED desk lamp with remote. The things that I really appreciate with this is the construction of the device. It's very, very high quality, heavy, durable construction. It's going to last for a long time. The lamp itself gets very bright, and I can adjust the color tone on it, and it is double-sided, and I didn't think that would make a big difference, but it does help with eye strain to have that LED not only shining down on you, but also illuminating the things behind the lamp itself. And having that wireless puck to be able to adjust all of my settings there makes this very convenient and easy. Overall, I was very impressed with this, and I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.